Hi everyone, please join me. For work I will use 1.4mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn, 169 meters in 50 grams. And in this video you will see how to crochet quick to make project. Before the work I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. All information about the tools could be found in the description. You can choose your favorite color of seed beads. Let's get started crocheting. Let's begin the work. Make a chain of 5. I will begin from the foundation chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My foundation chain is ready. Chain of 2 for transition part. Then yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the chain stitch and insert the hook into the third chain stitch away from the hook. Make half double crochet. Make 5 half double crochet. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Well done. My first row is ready. Let's crochet row 2. Make a chain and turn the work. I am working with back loops only. I skip the chain stitch. In this row I'm going to work with seed beads. Make single crochet with seed bead. Insert the hook into the back loop. Take the working yarn, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. Insert the hook into the back loop. Take the working yarn, pull it through, and pull through 2 loops. Insert the hook into the next loop. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. In total it should be 5 of them. Work into each back loop. Well done. Continue. Then make a chain and turn the work. This is the front side of the project. Our seed beads are visible on the front side. Continue, yarn over the hook. I am working with 3 loops only in this row. Here are my 3 loops. Make half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Well done. I get the volume. Make a chain, turn the work. I take seed beads. I skip the chain stitch and make single crochet with seed bead. Work with back loops only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make a chain, yarn over the hook, and work with 3 loops only. Make half double crochet. It is going to be a row of half double crochet stitches. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's look what I have done. It is very beautiful and simple at the same time. It could be perfect to create belt or bracelet. Let's repeat some rows. And let's repeat my rows. Make a chain, take seed beads, turn the work. I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the back loop, and make single crochet with seed bead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make a chain, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the loop, and make half double crochet. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Make a chain, take seed beads, turn the work with back loops only. Make single crochet with seed bead. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Make a chain, yarn over the hook, and work with 3 loops. Make half double crochet. Turn the work. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's stop and look what I have done. Keep working in this way as many rows as you need for your project. Then I will show you how to complete my project. It is very beautiful and quite simple at the same time. For this project you can use your favorite color of yarn, seed beads, and your favorite crochet hook. So keep working this way as many rows as you need. And now I show you how to complete my cord. Once I have done the last row, it was a row of half double crochet. To secure the yarn by making a chain. Pull it. I already cut off my yarn. You can leave a long piece of yarn to sew the stuff for the jewelry. Let's stop and look what I have done. And I would like to say some words about the stuff for the jewelry. It could be different kinds of them. It was opened and I closed it. In this case, I would sew this stuff to my cord and I will get a beautiful bracelet or belt or choker. You can choose another one. It depends on your project. All additional information about the tools, kind of tools, yarns and useful links could be found in the description of this video tutorial. Let's stop and look at my cord. It is easy to make project. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use it. You can use it like a decoration or a jewelry. It is a little bit stretchy and it could be part of the clothes. Good luck in crocheting. See you next time. If you don't like seed beads, you can check the description below and find a lot of video tutorials. Bye!